Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. You need to start by accessing calendar. Then pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and create event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title and change color over here. Then you can select starting hour or ending one, or disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Now you can, for example, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I'll go with 2 days before. And day of the event, go back and click on location. Now you can select map, tap on while using the app or only this time, and type in an address or keyword. I will go with keyword. Then select done at the bottom right corner, and over here you can select don't repeat and select one of those options if you wish your event to repeat by tapping on the chosen one. Take notes, invite people, and even click on default visibility and select one of those options like private. When you're ready, just save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by tapping on it, clicking on it over here, and making your changes after clicking edit at the bottom. I will, for example, change my title. Then just save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice by choosing move to recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!